Namaste and Jai Sri Krishna. Today we will dive into one of the greatest epics of our land, the Ramayana. More than just a story, it is a treasure of values, devotion, and dharma. It teaches how to live a righteous life, how to respect relationship, and how to face challenges with faith and courage. The Ramayana, written by Sage Valmiki, narrates the divine journey of Lord Ram, the seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu, through his life. Lord Ram shows us the path of truth, sacrifice, and righteousness. The epic is not only about battle and kingdoms, but also about the deeper struggle between God and evil within the human heart. The story begins in Ayodhya, a prosperous kingdom ruled by King Dasrath. Despite his glory, the king longed the years after a secret yajna. He had blessed with 4 sons, Ram, Bharat, Lakshman, and Shatrughan. Among them, Ram was the eldest, a shining example of virtue, courage, and compassion. From childhood, Ram displayed extraordinary strength and humility. He broke Lord Shiva's mighty bow with the hands of Princess Sita, the daughter of King Janak, symbolizing the union of divine strength and purity. Just when Ram was the crowned king, destiny took a different turn. Due to a promise made by Dasarath to his wife Kekai, Ram was sent to exile for 14 years. Without agitations, Ram accepted this fate. Sita, his devotee wife, and Lakshman, his loyal brother, chose to accompany him. Their departure from Ayodhya is remembered as a moment of sorrow. Yet, it reflects Ram's unmatched obedience and sacrifice. For him, Dharma was above power and throne. In the forest, the trio lived a simple yet divine life. They encountered sage demons and many adventures. But the greatest challenge came when Ravan, the powerful king of Lanka, abducted Sita by deceit. Her abduction was not just a personal tragedy, it's symbolizing the rise of Adharma, against which Ram had to fight. The cry of Sita echoes at the cry of Dharma itself, calling Ram to uphold righteousness. To rescue Sita, Ram formed an alliance with the Vanars, the monkey army led by Sugrim. Among them was Hanuman, the greatest devotee of Ram, who remains immortal in hearts even today. Hanuman's leap across the ocean to Lanka, his burning of the city, and message of fate to Sita and timeless lessons of devotion and courage. Human shows up that with faith in God, no ocean is too wide, no obstacle is too high. If you believe in God, you can do anything. Finally, the stage was set for the great war between Ram and Ravan. With the Vanar's army, Ram built the legendary bridge of stone across the ocean, known as Ram Setu. The battle lasted 4 days, filled with Vanar and divine weapons. In the end, Ram defeated Ravan, the symbol of ego, greed, and arrogance, was by rescuing Sita and restoring Dharma. He became the external symbol of victory of good over evil. After 14 long years, Ram, Sita, and Lakshman returned to Ayodhya. Their arrival was celebrated with light, joy, and festival, the very origin of festival Diwali. Ram was crowned king, and his region, known as Ramraj, became a golden age of justice, peace, and prosperity. The Ramayana is just an ancient story, not. It is a mirror of our lives. Ram teaches us to the honor truth. Sita teaches us patience and purity. Lakshman teaches loyalty, and Hanuman teaches unwearying devotion even today. Whenever we face difficulties, the message of Ramayana reminds us that in the end, truth always triumphs and dharma always prevails. Dear friends, may the spirit of Ramayana inspire us to walk on the path of righteousness in our daily lives. Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Veer Bajrang.